Hi, Deadlocks here again, and we are about to hit 200 subscribers.
Woohoo!
Yes, woohoo.
Woohoo!
So, we're doing a 200 sub giveaway. It is going to run for 1 month, so on the 16th of next month, which would be July.
Yeah.
Ends on the 16th of July at midnight, my time, because I don't know how to work out other people's time. So, yes, that's when it ends. We're going to have 2 prizes happening. First one is one Squire 660, which has some unoriginal looking keys.
Unoriginal. But it comes with a key chain. A key
ring.
Key ring, yeah.
And one UK Lockpickers tensioner holder. There will be either a tensioner or a key that you can make a tensioner out of. You get to choose whether I make the tensioner ready for you or if you want to make the tensioner yourself. That is up to you. Also going to be chucking in a wire. I neglected to pick up a wire, but there will be a wire for picking. They're not fully made wires. There will be a wire. I'll just stick that there to represent a wire.
But it will look better than that wire because that wire is not complete.
Yes, it may look better than that wire. And just to top it off, be getting a cheap jackknife.
Ah, cheap jackknife.
Yes, the cheap jackknife from Amazon that I opened all the locks with.
The brand spanking new one.
Yes. That is prize 1. To get that, what you have to do is make a video with where you get an open on any lock or locking device using tools that are not designed for that job. For instance, we have opened a steering lock with
A tape measure.
a tape measure. You could open a lock with some bobby pins or some paper clips, and yeah,
Paper clips. You can also make them out of hair clips.
bobby pins.
Oh, okay. Whatever. Shut up, you. I'm tired.
There is a second way to enter, and that is when you see a video sometime during this month where I pick a lock using the cheap jackknife, comment on it saying hashtag cheap jackknife, and you will win a cheap jackknife and the lock that I either picked or attempted to pick with it. Mrs. Deadlocks doesn't know what's happening, but I do. That's the important thing. I did forget to mention the hashtag for the first one where you open the lock with the thing that's not designed for it. What's the hashtag for that, Mrs. D?
Hashtag.
Hashtag
I can do this!
hashtag Deadlocks 200.
No, let me do it. Hashtag 200. Leave a lock. No. Hashtag 200. Making shit up.
Hashtag Deadlocks random open.
That's better. That one's better.
That's what it shall
I
be.
see it. Hashtag 200 random open. See, I made it up myself.
You didn't put Deadlocks in there.
I put the thing on there. You can just do it.
Anyway, that's all from us. Thanks for everyone who has subscribed and whoever else is going to subscribe. Good luck with your entries. I'm looking forward to see some creative opens.
And some burnt pizza.
Yes. I'm going for burnt pizza now. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Oh my god! What are you doing? That's cheating! What are you doing? It's not even working for you.